Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. In today's video, I'm doing my final CurlBox unboxing. It's the July 2023 CurlBox. The box is bigger, so there must be something outside of the regular CurlBox. So let's get that open. The first item I see is this Dove Crown Collection Shaping Butter Cream, and it's for defining. This might be something that I use that I got from Influencer. I did not do a full video on it yet, but as far as I remember, I did like it in my hair. I do have a post that I put on Instagram, and I will put it here and also link my Instagram down below so you can see it. But I'm interested in trying this again. I really think I did like it if it's the one that I used. So here is the postcard. This is the picture side. It's really cute. And then this is the other side, the Dove product. So we'll go through each one of them now. I already showed the defining buttercream. This rich curl cream adds weightless moisture and will give you all the hold and definition, leaving you with velvety soft hair. Now let's go to the other items that were inside the CurlBox. Let me show you the CurlBox. Here it is. And here are all the items inside. So the first item is the Dove Crown Collection Scalp Care Shampoo. This shampoo is designed to gently remove product buildup while restoring the natural shine to your curls. And this says it's plant-based and has squalane, aloe extract, and no sulfate. The next is the Dove Crown Collection Hydration Restore Conditioner. And this one also has squalane, but this one has coconut oil, and it has no parabens. That means it probably has silicone. It does have silicone. It says, infused with plant-based squalane and coconut oil to strengthen hair fiber and reduce breakage. So that is the wash out conditioner. Next is the Strength Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This enriching conditioner moisturizes, hydrates, and effortlessly detangles your curls. So this has vitamin B5 and jojoba oil. And this also, I believe, has silicone in it, but no parabens, no dyes, and it is color safe like the other ones. And last but not least is the Dove Crown Collection Amplified Texture Scalp Care Prebiotic Serum. This formula is enriched with aloe, which reduces dryness in just 2 weeks with regular use. So it has a bunch of ingredients in there. I might put it on the screen if I can get the text for it. So there you have it. That is the July 2023 CurlBox, and as they said in the email, this is the final CurlBox. Other than the defining shaping butter cream, I don't believe that I've used Dove products for a full wash and go, so I'm very interested in trying these products out and seeing how they work. Let me know down below if you used any Dove products before, and especially if you used these products. Be on the lookout for a wash and go with me using these products as soon as I can. It has been a very hot and humid summer, so I've been wearing my hair up for the most part and tucked away. So just look out. I'll try to get that wash and go out as soon as I can. That's it for my CurlBox unboxing. I guess this is the last one, maybe forever, maybe for a while. But I thank you for watching this video and all my other unboxings. It's kind of sad that this might be my last one. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Did you enjoy these unboxings? Are you glad that you don't have to see any more unboxings? Is it something that you're over? Let me know. Since I don't have unboxings to do anymore, I will be trying out some other new things. I do have a lot of products to put in my hair and try, but it just takes some time to sometimes be in the mood to try the new products. Hopefully I'll be getting some new wash and go and style videos out soon. I don't even know what else to say. I'm just really sad. I guess Dove is a cool brand to try as my last CurlBox unboxing, but I really wasn't ready. That's enough rambling from me. Please also let me know what you would like to see in these upcoming videos. since I don't have unboxings, or at least the CurlBox unboxing, I will be trying to get some new content out there. So let me know what you're interested in, and if I can do it, I will get it out there. I quickly want to show the CurlBox website. It says we have until July 31st to shop for these non-subscription boxes. If you scroll to the top and you click non-subscription boxes, it will show all of them that are available. Most of them I have unboxed already, and there's a few that I do not have, so I might shop myself. It looks like it's a good deal, so make sure you check it out before July 31st if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.